So today I'm going to do an unboxing. A proper unboxing for this one. So I bought this. It's a 360 Ace Pro 2 yesterday with my sister and SM North. Also bought an SD card. This is one of my dream camera. Contemplate ako ano yung mga contents na pwede kong gawin sa future. And I'm more into sa mga adventures. So my ate told me na I should get this one kasi mas ganito yung personality ko. Hindi ako pang Osmo Pocket 3. Masyado daw fragile, sabi ni ate ko, and parang masisira ako daw agad. So yeah, nakikinig na lang ako sa kanya. Dito naman talaga yung dream cam ko. So I've already opened the box, and inside the box you'll get your camera. Although it doesn't have protectors na kasi I already tried it yesterday. I bought this nga pala sa Edge's camera. In the box, you get to have your camera. Look at this one. Look at this small dude. I don't even know how to open this one, but okay. There you go. It's a lovely battery. And on the other port, you will get to have the SD card and also the Type-C. And that's it. You'll have your camera. Okay, just a sec. And right here, whoa, you got the Type-C, manuals, and then you have this. But I still don't have any accessories. This one's to protect you from noise reduction. Ito yung mic niya eh. So ito yung bagong feature nito. Now I'm just trying to figure out. So this is the mount. Oh, magnetic siya. Ay, grabe, sobra pag-attach nito. Rig yun. Hey. You guys saying? What you guys saying? So it can shoot up to 8K in 30 FPS and in 4K in 120 FPS, which is really good. I'm not gonna use all of it, so I'll just stick to 4K and 60 FPS to have like a decent shots lang, and maybe in 4K and 30 FPS too. A slow-mo shots, 60 FPS will do for me, because 1 in 20, that's too much for me. I mean, I'm not a hardcore editor, so 4K and 60 FPS will do for me. And if you want to see yourself, you can flip the screen right here. Try this one. Alright guys, so I'm trying out my new it's a 360 Ace Pro 2, and see how it goes. I'm vlogging right here. This has been a crazy June for me. A lot happened ngayong June. But anyway, I'm gonna try this outside, shoot some shots, and see how it goes sa aking daily life. Okay. And see kung gaano rin katagal yung tatagal ng battery life nito. In 4K, around mga 56 minutes, around that. Or read some reviews about it, because we don't do TikToks here. We read reviews manually, like in browsers talaga. Anyway, good morning. Love you guys all. I hope you all having a great morning today. What is up, vlog? It's another day, another vlog.
Ang gagawin ko today ay magsasampay.
Ko na rin yung shoes ko. Ang lamig dito. Hindi ay, hindi nyo nga para marinig hangin. Hi, I'm on my way to the gym. Pahinga lang ako saglit. I'm drinking. Sorry, I'm drinking Red Bull. Let's go hit the gym. Actually, late na ako sa gym kasi I was supposed to be at the gym around saktong 3:30 na. Sakto lang yan. Kasi ang standard the workout is usually it takes up to 1 hour and 30 minutes to 2 hours. So, I'm gonna squeeze in ang aking workout today for at least an hour and a half. Ganda ng POV natin dito ah. Kita lahat ng mga pasahero. Okay, so I guess we're gonna have a carpool karaoke going on sa ating mga susunod na vlog. Forgot to wear my seatbelts. Don't forget to wear your seatbelts. Makakapasok ko pa lang naman sa main road, so ginastify pa yung hindi pagsuot. This is going to be your view whenever I go to the gym. Alam mo, sobrang buenas ko kasi si daddy lang naglagay nito, yung MagSafe. Nabi ko kanina, since may magnet yung camera, I'll just try ipatong. And guess what? Dumikit siya. Yun ang next vlog natin. Magta-travel tayo or magta-drive tayo siguro around Clark. Sama ko yung mga cousins ko. And we're gonna try to find some cafes. We always try to find some restaurants around Pampanga kasi nga, alam nyo naman mga kabalens, di ba? Parang culinary capital. The foods in Pampanga are really good. Masarap talaga yung Pampanga. Ay, masarap talaga yung masarap talaga yung mga food sa Pampanga. Anyway, ang gym ko is it takes around 5 to 10 minutes depending on the traffic. Yun, walang nakapark sa favorite parking spot ko. Anyway. Well, hi vlog. Kaya pa musog dito kayo yan. Oh, hindi nag-concert. Here at a random Jollibee. Na-discover lang namin siya yesterday. Tingnan mo yung sa akin. Laki na.
Hi, Dogo.
Alam mo, mother. Di ba hindi na siya nakakayan dali? Ay, wala pala. Tingnan mo na mamatay.
Ba't di mo din tinatanggal ko?
Wala pa yung tempered. Alden Richards, so yun. Nakaganda ka, di ba? So, vlog. So, it's currently 3:06 and nagpe-prepare lang ako kasi we're going to play pickleball with my friends. Kanina galing ako ng dentist mga 2 PM. Tinanggal na yung braces ko sa baba. Nakapagbihis na ako and Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga babaunin ko eh. So I'll just probably bring water and that's it. Hindi na ako magdadalang maraming gamit. Idalhin ko pala speaker ko. Wait. Daming kalat sa room ko ngayon. Speakers. Siguro dalhin ko na lang yung mismong bag na to. Akong intindihin. Save ko na lang dito. Don't forget to bring your towel. And let's play some pickleball. Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun? Cringe. Hi vlog. I'm on my way. Papunta dun sa court. Lalakad na lang ako para ma-hit natin yung goal natin. I'll see you guys there. Ayan nga. Yung mga players. Pakita ko sa'yo.
What's that?
Ito. Ito.
Kailan ka nagpaano?
Isang araw pa.
Totoo?
Ah.
That's what it's called. Yan, ginasabi ko sa'yo. Bakit ka nag-heart niyo? Parang ikaw. Napaalam ko lang walang bracelet pa sa amin si Tots. Mag-up ka na lang na hindi. Sabi niya, ay, di ba pala? Ay,
Surprise nga eh! After 4 years.
sabi niya, sir, ako na lang to na hindi. Ito na ng camera mo, may nagyayabang mo pa sa akin. Anong camera to? Ay, ganda! Anong camera to? Huwag ka maingit, kaibigan ko to ah. Gusto ko. Ang ganda.
Pang vlog.
Ang ganda, Nico! Walang ano? Monopod?
Wala pang mga protector yung motor.
How much to? At catch mo, daddy, catch mo!
Uy. Nice girls. Ayun. Uy!
Say hi! It's Nico and Kuya Bani versus Iska and R. Bilhin mo yung clip na to! Welcome to the Pickle Club! Why though?
Yeah, it's the Pickle Club.
Nietzsche Gabriel.
Kung saan may masarap, pinupuntahan. Ko.
Saan yung masarap?
Pinupuntahan.
This is my favorite. It's called vegetable spring roll.
Hindi ako kumakain kamote.
Hi vlog. Pwede nga tripod ko. Ay, dumating na yung mount.
What's up, vlog?
So right now, I'm just gonna clean my scooter right here because she's so dirty. And yesterday, it wasn't supposed to rain, but it rained really hard. I cannot stand seeing my scooter na ganitong kadumi, so I have to clean it. Look at this OG. Sobrang messy ng hair ko. I just woke up. Kumain lang ako ng breakfast, tapos linis na tayo. I'm done cleaning my motorcycle. It's really hot. Anyway, okay na ako kasi alam ko nang malinis yung motor ko. Hindi ako magpakali kagabi kasi alam kong puro putik yung motor ko. So, pwede na ako mag-gym later. I'm stuck. Hi vlog.
Hi! Ay, idiota.
Oh, I thought it was the camera. Since when?
Talo, 2 weeks na yata to.
Was 7 years. Ano niya pero may ganun ni Leb.
Oo.
Finally, Nico nakalaya.
So sabi ni ni Leb, tignan, tapos sabi ni Leb sa akin, oo, tapos tignan mo puti ng ipin niya.
Oo nga.
Puti na ng ipin mo.
Nakabinis ka siguro.
Hindi.
Bagal na. Hi guys, so libre ni Nadine. Okay, di kailangan namin magtipid. Taret! I'm drinking my everyday juice.
Kasi nga, di ba, you're living.
Petit. Yup. At wala akong tutsyang.
Ano ba yan? Ba't ganun?
Nakakailang redeem na ba?
Narating may iyo?
Guys, yung teacher namin nung high school, andito lang sa likod nitong order machine. Eh, hindi ko matapat yung camera. Thank you, Nadine.
18% ka na lang.
Palitan may battery niya na.
Grabe, nilibre niya kami. Kasama kami sa cravings niya.
I'm override.
May flash.
Kasama kami sa cravings niya.
Grabe. Justice.
Libre na kami. Wala na kung nakakamagkano na kami.
600. Video ba yan?
Oo, montage. Yay! Picture ako kayo.
Tsaka to. Need mo to. So, siya. May honey yun.
Hindi ko talaga nilalagyan yun.
Ay, bolo ako. Sarap ng may honey. Huwag mo na i-risk. Dito ka na.
Pupunta doon.
Bye guys.
Bye,
I love
bye.
you so much.
I
This
love
song is
ya.
for you. How can we go back to being friends when we just share a bed? Thank you.
I love you.
Nice song. Bye
Bye guys. Thank you, Nadine. Bye. Bye guys. See you when I see you. Congrats on your graduation.
Guys. Ayoko. Excuse me.
Pwede ka daw. There's Ate Karen, Trejo, Kyrie. Sama ka ba? Alright. Babalik kami pag